If you've built your WordPress site and you're ready to show it to the world, this video is for you. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps to publish your WordPress site quickly, cleanly, and confidently so your visitors can see it live. Let's jump straight in. First, open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login button. Go ahead and click it. WordPress will give you a few sign-in options. For this tutorial, I'll use the Continue with Google method. It's secure, fast, and saves you from having to remember another password. Select the Google account you want to use, and WordPress will take you directly to your site's dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left and click on Posts. This is where all your pages and blog posts live, whether they're drafts or already published. Now, find the post or page you want to make live. Click Edit to open it. This brings you to the editor where you can double check your content, layout, and any final details before going public. On the right hand side, you'll notice a panel with settings for your post, including status and visibility. If your post is currently marked as a draft, click on that label. You'll see an option to change it to published. Go ahead and select that. Once you've set it to publish, look to the top right corner of your screen and hit the publish button. That's the final step. WordPress will confirm your action, and just like that, your site, page, or blog post is officially live for the world to see. It's that simple. By following these steps, you've gone from draft to launch in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you get your WordPress site live, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more quick, practical website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.